Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths Class 5 by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 6, Decimal. The word decimal comes from the Latin word decima, which means the 10th part. The number 10 is the base of the decimal system. When we write numbers, we arrange them according to their place value. For example, when we write 1258, we arrange it in the place value chart as follow: ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So 8 is at ones position, so its place value is 8 ones means 8. 5 is at tens position, its value is 5 tens means 50. 2 is at 100 position, its place value 2 hundreds 200, and 1 is at 1000 position, its place value is 1000. Okay, so as we move towards the left from ones, tens, 100, 1000, each place gets 10 times bigger, and when we move towards the right, each place gets 10 times smaller. So now how to write further after the ones place? So it will be 10 times smaller than 1, or 1/10 or the 10th fraction of 1. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and here 10th, 100th, 1000. Okay, so you can see ones means 1, tens means 10, 100 means 100, and 1000 means 1000. 10th means 1 by 10. 1 का 10th part, then 1 by 100, 1 का 100th part, then 1 by 1000, right? So I hope this is clear to you. So 1/10 of a unit, we know that 1 by 10 stands for 1/10 of a unit. Like we have total 10 parts and we are shading one part. So this is 1 by 10. In other words, a figure is divided into 10 equal parts and the one part is taken. The shaded part is 1 by 10, and 1 by 10 is written as 0.1 and read as decimal 1 or 0.1. The dot on the left of 1 stands for decimal point. Okay, so how do you write 2 by 10 using decimal point? This is 0.2, right? Now we are talking about whole number and decimal parts combined. Here 2 figures are shaded completely and 5 out of 10 are shaded in the third one. So now when we are combining these all the parts, what we are getting? 2 whole, 5 by 10. So how we can read it? 2.5. Okay, so the number 2.5 has 2 parts. 2 is the whole number and 0.5 is the decimal part. So like whole numbers, we can show decimals on a place value chart. Look how we represent 11.582 in the place value chart. So 11 means 1 at ones and 1 at tens. This is for the whole part. अब हम लगाएंगे decimal point. Okay, then 10, 100, 1000. So 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. This is 5, 8, 2, right? So it is written as 11 whole 582 upon 1000 or 11.582. How we can read it? 11.582. Now assessment 1. Question number 1. Write the shaded part as a fraction and then convert it into decimal number. Like here B part, how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, 3 are shaded. So this is 3 by 10. So that is 0.3. Here 8 out of 10. This is 0.8. Now the second one, write the shaded part of each of these figures as decimal number. Like here A part, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can try it. Like this one, B part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are shaded. So 5 upon 10, this is 0.5. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now here the third one, write the fractions as decimal numbers. So here like 5 by 10, this is 0.5. 8 by 10, 0.8. The fourth, write the decimal number as a fraction. अब decimal का हम fraction बना सकते हैं. Like 0.9 है तो 9/10. C part 0.5 है तो 5/10. Okay. Now the fifth one, complete the table. One has been done for you. Like A part 16 whole 27/100. So what to do? 16 means 6 at ones, 1 at tens, decimal point. Now 2 at tenth and 7 at hundredth, right? So similarly, you can try this. Here 2761. So first write the whole part. 1672 decimal 3/100. It means tenth is 0 and hundredth is 3. Okay, similarly you can try remaining part. The sixth one, write the fraction as decimal numbers. You can try these one. And the seventh, write inverse. You can try this one also. Now we are talking about place value of a decimal number. Example 1, write the place value of each digit in 0.257. So what to do? First write according to the place value chart. So here 0 means whole number is 0, then decimal point, tenth 2, hundredth 5 and thousand 7. So now find the place value of 2 at 10th place. So this is 2 tenth. And here 5 at 100th, this is 500th and 7000. So how we can write? 2 tenth means 0.2, 2/10. 500th means 0.055/100. And 7 is at 1000. So 7/1000, or we can write 0.007. Now expanded form of decimal numbers. Expansion of decimal number follows the same way as expansion of whole numbers. Expansion of decimals can be written in 3 different ways. The first one, example, expand 115 decimal point 652. So what will you write? So 115, 100 plus 10 plus 5. Now 6 10th, 500th, 2000th. So 6 10th, how we can write? 6/10. 500th, 5/100. And 2000th, 2/1000. This is the second way. And the third way, we can write with the decimal point. This one as it is. And now this is 0.6, this is 0.05 and this is 0.002. So these are the expanded forms of the given number, and the number is called the standard or short form, right? Now assessment 2, question number 1, write the place value of underlined digits in all 3 ways. So A part 2.380. So 3 digit है यहाँ पर, 3 is at 10th place. So 3 tenth. So 3/10 or 0.3. Now here B part 8 is at 100th. 8 hundredth. 8/100 and decimal form this one. So 5 here, 5000. 5/1000 and decimal form 0.005. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. The second one, filling the boxes, like A part 0.85. So 8 is at 10th place, 8/10, 5/100. B part 8.036. So 8 plus 0 we are not taking. 3 at 100, so 3/100. 6 at 1000, so 6/1000. Okay. Now the third one, expand the following in word form and fractional form. So you can write it. Now the fourth one, convert the expanded form to a standard decimal form. So write the standard number or short number 205.036. Now C part 30 plus 9, 39 dot. 5 is at 10, 6 is at 100, 6 is at 1000. This is the number. Now we are talking about decimal places. Every place to the right of decimal point is called a decimal place. Example, 1.5 has one decimal place, 2.85 has two decimal places, and 0.028 has three decimal places. So now, like and unlike decimal numbers, the decimal numbers which have the same number of decimal places are called like decimal numbers, okay, or like decimals. Example, 1.2 and 0.6, they are having one decimal place. 1.17 and 5.42, 2.512 and 0.061, these are all pairs of like decimals with 1, 2 and 3 decimal places respectively. Now the decimal numbers which have different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal numbers or unlike decimals. Example, 0.3, 5.78 and 2.643 are unlike as they have different decimal places. Now we can convert unlike decimal into like. How? To convert unlike decimal into like, we need to make the decimal places equal for all the decimal numbers in the group. This is done by adding the required number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal places. हम zero right में add कर सकते हैं, left में नहीं. See example 9.1, 3.75 and 0.051. These can be converted into like decimals. So because this number has one decimal place, this has 2 and this has 3. So how we can write it? We are changing into 3 decimal places. So 9.1, 9.100, 20 add कर देंगे. Here 3.75, 10 add कर देंगे, and this one as it is. Now these are like decimals with 3 decimal places. Okay, now we are doing comparison of decimals number. We have the following rules for comparison of decimal numbers. The first one, compare the whole number parts. The decimal fraction with greater whole number part is always greater. See, let us compare 24.53 and 26.735. So compare whole part 24 and 26. So 26 is greater than 24. So that's why this number is bigger. Now if the whole number part is equal, then we have to compare the digits at the 10th place. The number with the greater digit in the 10th place will be greater, like 75.87 and 75.47. Whole part same. Compare करेंगे 10th digit, this is 8, this is 4. So 8 is bigger, that's why this number is bigger. 75.87 is greater than 75.47. The third, if the 10th place equal, then we have to compare 100th place. Like let us compare 74.87 and 74.88. So 74 same. 10th digit same, compare 100, 7 and 8. This is bigger. So 74.88 is greater than 74.87. Now if 100th place digit same, then we have to compare 1000 digits. So like this. So let us compare 2.532 and 2.536. So first C, whole part same, 10th digit same, 100 digit same. Compare now 1000 digit, this is 6, this is 2, so second number is bigger. So very interesting, very easy. Now assessment 3. The first one, convert the following sets of decimal numbers into like decimal. Like C part 0.38 and 1.6. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 0.38 and 1.60. 2 decimal places में convert कर देंगे. Like F part 2.9, 1.86 and 3.368. So highest is 3 decimal places. So 2.900, 1.860 and 3.368. Okay. Now the second one, fill the circle with greater than, less than or equal to sign. So see here, like 5.21 and 5.2. So this is 5.20. 5, 5 same, 2, 2 same. 1 is greater, that's why this number is bigger. Now see this one, 0.65, 0.69. 0, 0 same, 6, 6 same, but 5 is less than 9. So this number is greater. Similarly, you can compare other numbers. The third one, circle the biggest number, like A part, 5.49, 5.049, 5.49, 5.5 and 5.05. So first make them like decimal. So this is here 0, 0, 2 0 and 1 0. So now do the comparison of the whole number part same. अब हम compare करेंगे 10th digit. So 10th digit, this is 4, this is 0, this is 4, this is 5. It means this is greater. Similarly, you can try B part. ऐसे fourth question है, circle the smallest number, you can find out. Now the fifth one, arrange in ascending order, means increasing order. So like here B part, 8.48, 9.8, 9.9, 9.02. So first convert into like decimals. It means 2 decimal places. So 8.48, 9.80, 9.90, 9.02. Now compare. Ascending है तो smallest one is 8.48. Then compare these three. 999, compare 10th digit. This is 0. So 9.02, then 9.80, then 9.90. Now you can try remaining parts. ऐसे 6 question आप करेंगे. Now we are talking about addition of decimals. Addition of decimal numbers is just like addition of whole numbers, but remember to place the decimal points one below the other. सिंपल जैसे हम नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं वैसे ही करना है, बस इसमें हमें डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है. सी एग्जाम्पल 1, 0.3 plus 0.6. So here 1st digit and 10th digit 0.3, 0.6. Add 10th digit first, 3 plus 6 is 9 and 0 here answer is 0.9. Now B part 0.84, 0.56. So start adding. 4 plus 6, 10, 0 here, 1 carry. 8 plus 5, 13 and 1, 14. 4 here, 1 carry. So 1.40. So now C part, add 1000 digit. 3 plus 5, 8. Then 100. 8 plus 6, 14. Then 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6 and 0. So 0.642. Now example 2. Neeta is practicing for her school sports day. She runs 1.26 km in the morning and 3.2 km in the evening. So how far does she run in all? So it means total, their addition. So the one number is 1.26, the other is 3.2. So write it very carefully. So write the digits according to the place value. This is one below the other, making sure that the decimals are also exactly one below the other. 10th below 10th, 100th below 100th and so on. So we can write here 0. So now add 1.26 and 3.20. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is 4.46 km in all. Now subtraction of decimals, it is just like subtraction of the whole numbers. Line up the decimal point one below the other and regroup if necessary. Example 1, A part 0.7 minus 0.4. So 0.7 minus 0.4. So 7 minus 4, 3. So answer is 0.3. B 2.5 minus 0.6. So now here 5 minus 6 not possible. So borrow karenge. So this becomes 15. This becomes 1. 15 minus 6 is 9 and 1 minus 0 is 1. Right? Now example 2, Deepika bought a piece of cloth measuring 25.8 meters. She cut out a piece measuring 8.28 meter. So what is the length of the remaining piece? It means minus. So total minus length of the piece. So now just convert into like decimals. So 25.80 and 8.28. Okay. Write it very carefully, that is more important. Now do subtraction. So 0 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow karenge 8 se, it becomes 10, and 10 minus 8 is 2. This becomes 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now here this is 5 minus 8. We can do it. This becomes 15 minus 8 7, and this is 1. So answer is 17.52 meter. Now assessment 4. The first one, arrange in columns and add. So very simple, like B part 8.06, 8.005 and 25.517. Write it very carefully. Now add. So 5 plus 7 12. So this is 8, this is 5 only. 8 8 16 plus 5 21, and this is 41.582. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the second one, arrange in columns and subtract. So like here, E part 125.75 minus 32.23. So 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 2 5. 5 minus 2 3. 2 minus 3 not possible, so 12, this becomes 0, 12 minus 3 9. So this is the value. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the third one, solve the following, like B part, add 10.10 to the sum of 15.5 and 30.03. Means first you can find the sum of these two and then add the first number. Okay. The second one, subtract 1.10 from the difference of this and this. पहले इन दोनों नंबर का हम क्या करेंगे, डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे. So just do subtraction. It becomes 12, it becomes 0, 12 minus 4 8. Now it becomes 10, this becomes 0, 10 minus 7 3. So answer is 3.84. Now 3.84 में से 1.10 minus, so this is 2.74. So do it very carefully. Okay. Now the next is multiplication of a whole number by a decimal number. Simple. See example 1, multiply 3 and 0.06. So 3 into 0.6 means 3 groups of 6 tenths. So see, 6 tenths, 6 tenths, 6 tenths. Total is 18 tenths, means 1.8. Okay. See example 2. Vikas wants to buy 4 ice creams. If each ice cream costs rupees 16 and 75 paise, how much will Vikas have to pay? So total means more, means multiply. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 16.75 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो what is the step 1? Multiply as you would with whole numbers ignoring the decimal. First multiply कर दो without decimal point. So 1675 multiplied by 4, this is 6700. Now step 2, count the number of decimal places in the factors. तो जितने decimal point है, जितने decimal places है, 1 2, so it means before 2 digit, so 2 decimal places, and here 0 decimal places, so total is 2. So before 2 digit put the decimal point. So show the same number of decimal places in the product. So answer is rupees 67. Okay. Now zeros in the product. Example, find 0.03 multiplied by 2. So step 1, multiply as you would do with the whole numbers, like 3 2s are 6. Now write the decimal point. So here decimal is before 2 digit. So write here. This 0 shows that the product is less than 1, and write this 0 to show the correct number of decimal places. Okay, now multiplication of two decimal numbers. Example, find 2.6 and 3.84, their multiplication. So हमने simply numbers को multiply करना है. 384 को 26 से multiply कर देंगे. This is the product. So now just count the number of digits after the decimal point in 2.6. This is 1, and the number of digits after the decimal point in 3.84, this is 2. So total is 1 plus 2, 3. Yani put the decimal point after the 3 digits from the right to get the answer. This is 9.984. Okay. Now assessment 5, question number 1. Multiply like B part 28.4 into 2. So what to do? 28.4 है तो 284 into 2 without decimal point multiply 568. Now in question see the digits after decimal point, here one digit only. So in product put the decimal before one digit. So this is the answer 56.8. Like E part 3.108 multiply by 3. So simply multiply. Now here decimal is before 3 digit. So 1, 2, 3, answer is 9.324. So very interesting. Now the second one, find the product. Like here C part 13.8 multiply by 0.3. So 13.8 into 0.3. So remove the decimal first. Multiply 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 2 11, and then 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So 414. Now count the decimal point. 1 2. Here 2 digits. So 4.14 is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth question, if a drum can hold 20.15 liters of petrol, how many liters of petrol can 5 such drums hold? तो ज़्यादा करेंगे, यानी 20.15 multiply by 5, that is liter. तो हम क्या करेंगे, simply multiply कर दें without decimal. This is the product. Now put the decimal point. Decimal point is before 2 digits, so answer is 100.75 liter. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000. So method 1, example 1, let us find 2.36 multiply by 10. So what to do? Multiply the multiplicand and the multiplier regardless of the sign. This is the value. Now count the decimal places. There are 2 decimal places. So now place the decimal before 2 digits from the right side. So 23.60. Example 2, like 4.361 multiply by 100. Simply multiply कर देंगे. Now put the decimal point before 3 digits. So this is the answer. Now 1.2431 multiply by 1000. Simply multiply कर देंगे. Put the decimal before 4 digits. This is the answer. Now example 4, 2.8 multiply by 100. This is 2800. Put the decimal before 1 digit. Answer is 280. Now method 2. Now method 2 on multiplying decimal number by. अगर हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं किसी डेसिमल नंबर को, द डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव्स वन प्लेस टू द राइट. हमें राइट साइड शिफ्ट कर देना है डेसिमल पॉइंट को. लाइक 2.16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, सो आंसर इज 21.6. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, द डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव्स 2 places to the right. Like 8.361 multiply by 100, decimal shift हो जाएगा towards right after 2 digits. So 836.1. Now 2.8413 multiply by 1000. Shift the decimal 3 places to the right. So this is 2841.3. Now assessment 6, write the product. The first question, like here B part 61.613 multiply by 100. The shorter way is shift the decimal towards right after 2 digits, so this is the answer. Like D part 59.26 multiplied by 1000, so shift the decimal after 3 digit, but we have 2 digit, तो हम ले लेंगे एक 0, so this is the answer. Okay, similarly we can try the second question. Find the multipliers for the following. See here, like B part 96.216 मल्टीप्लाई किस नंबर से करें, सो दैट द प्रोडक्ट इज 96,216. सी द डेसिमल पोजीशन. डेसिमल पोजीशन इज नाउ आफ्टर 6, so it means multiply by 1000. Here D part 6.964 multiply by what number, so that the answer is 696.4. decimal is after 2 digits, it means multiply by 100. Okay, very simple. Now the third one, find the multiplicants for the following. Like A part dash into 100 equals to 173.6. इसका मतलब डेसिमल पहले कहाँ था, बिफोर 2 digit, so 1.736. Okay, now B part dash into 1000 equals to 6667. It means decimal was before 3 digits, so answer is 6.667. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about division of decimal numbers. Dividing by a whole number. Dividing decimal is just like dividing whole numbers except for placing the decimal point. A part, when the divisor is smaller than dividend. Like example 1, divide 6.25 by 5. So what to do? We have to find this one. Now step 1, place the decimal point in the question directly above the decimal point of the dividend, right? Now step 2, divide, then divide as if were dividing whole numbers. जैसे हम simple numbers को divide करते हैं वैसे ही करना है. Like 6 है, 5 1 is 6, okay 1. Now decimal लगा देंगे because decimal part starts, so 1 point, then take the next digit, it becomes 12, so 5 2s are 10. Okay, now next digit, so this becomes 25, 5 5s are 25, so answer is 1.25 and the remainder is 0. Now B part, when the divisor is greater than dividend, find 1.26 divided by 7. So here, you know 1 is less than 7, so we will write here 0. Now decimal part starts, so put the decimal point. Now 12 बन जाएगा, 7 1s are 7, माइनस कर देंगे, this is 56, 7 8s are 56, answer is 0.18. We can check our answer. Divisor into quotient equals to dividend, so it means division is correct. Remainder while dividing decimals, अब remainder भी आ सकता है. Like example 3, divide 5.5 by 4, so take the whole part 5, so 4 1s are 4. Now decimal part starts, so put the decimal point. Now here 1 and 5 down, 4 3s are 12. So what is left? 3 remainder. So when you divide decimals, you do not show remainder. You have to write an extra 0 to complete the division. So हम क्या करेंगे? हम zeros लेते जाएंगे. Like 3 है, so 1 0, it becomes 30, 4 7s are 28. Now 2 is left. Take one more 0. This becomes 20, 4 5s are 20. So answer is 1.375. So write an extra 0 in the dividend to complete the division. This does not change the value of the dividend. Now division of a decimal by another decimal number. To divide a decimal by another decimal number, follow these steps. The first one, move the decimal point in the divisor to the right until you get a whole number of places. Then move the decimal point in the dividend to the right by the same number of places. Then divide the new dividend by the new divisor. So we have 7.5 divided by 1.5. डिवाइजर को हमें विदाउट डेसिमल बनाना है. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? वी आर डूइंग मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय 10. तो हमें ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करना पड़ेगा. 7.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.5, so multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So we are getting now 75 upon 15. So divide कर दें, answer is 5. Okay, now division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 और 1000 डायरेक्ट भी हम कर सकते हैं. जैसे the first one 264.3 divided by 10. तो अब हम decimal shift कर देंगे towards left. So while dividing a decimal number by 10, the decimal point moves towards left by 1 place. The second 264.3 divided by 100. Now shift the decimal towards left by 2 places. So what is the value? This is 2.643. Now 264.3 को 1000 से करेंगे. Now shift the decimal point towards the left by 3 places. So we are getting 0.2643. Now assessment 7 based on such type of examples. See the first one, divide the following. Like C part 0.48 divided by 8. So 0.48 divided by 8. So whole part is 0. Now decimal part start. But 4 is again smaller than 8. So we will take 48. 8 6 are 48. So answer is 0.06. Okay, you do the practice, the concept would be clear to you. Now the second one, divide the following. Like D part 3.36 divided by 1.6. तो 1.6 है, multiply by 10, 2 पर भी multiply by 10. So this is 33.6 upon 16. Now we can divide it, we will get the value. The third one, write the question. Like B part 17.141 divided by 100. So decimal चला जाएगा left side. Answer is 0.17141. Now C part 25.95 divided by 1000. Decimal is shifting towards left by 3 places. So 0.02595. This is the answer, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now the fourth one, fill the missing divisor. Like here B part 358.8 divided by what? So that we are getting 3.588. So now we are shifting decimal before 5. It means before 2 digit. So divide by 100. Now G part 19.45 divided by what number? So that we are getting this 0.01945. So now decimal is going towards left before 3 digit. It means divide by 1000. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth one, fill the missing dividend. Like B part dash divided by 100 equals to 18.73. So what will you write? 1873. Okay, now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the sixth question, the weight of 12 sugar bags is 284.4 kg. What is the weight of each bag? It means total weight 284.4 divided by 12. So you can try these questions 6 and 7. Now we are talking about converting fractions into decimals. We convert common fraction into decimal by following the given steps. The first one, divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2, after the division, when a non-zero remainder is obtained, insert a decimal point in the dividend and the quotient and put a 0 on the right of the decimal point in the dividend and the remainder and divide again. Step 3, continue the division till a 0 remainder is obtained. Like example, convert 1 upon 16 into decimal. So 1 is smaller than 16. So what to do? हम decimal point लगाएंगे, decimal हम question में भी लगाएंगे. So write here 0. So now this becomes 10, again less than 16. So here 0, then write one more 0. This is 100. 16 6 are 96. Minus कर देंगे 4 here. Now take one more 0. It becomes 40. 16 2s are 32. Minus कर देंगे 8. Take one more 0. This becomes 80. 16 5s are 80. So answer is 0.0625. Now converting decimals into fraction, we convert decimal into fraction by following the given step. Step 1, write the given decimal number without the decimal point as a numerator. Step 2, form a number by annexing as many zeros to the right of 1 as is the number of decimal places in the given decimal number. Now write this number as denominator. See how to do. Example, convert the following into common fractions like a part 0.7, यानी जो decimal है वो 1 digit से पहले है, it means 7/10. Now b part 9.98, so now count the decimal places 2, it means upon 100. जितने decimal places हैं उतनी zeros लगा देंगे. Like assessment 8, the first one, convert the following fractions into decimals like b part 17/4. So what to do? 17 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16. Now we are getting 1 here, so put the decimal. So 4 2s are 8. Now 4 5s are 20. So answer is 4.25. Okay. Now what to do? The next is this one, 4 whole 3 by 9. So you can try this one. This is 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 39/9. You can try this one. Now the second one, convert the following decimals into fractions like c part 8.70. So 870/100. Now cut the zeros. So this is 87/10. Like h part 0.72. So 72/100. Cut it by 2. Again by 2. This is the value, right? Now next we are talking about rounding of decimals. Rounding off to the nearest tenth. Consider 1.3 and 1.6. 1.3 is nearer to 1 than to 2, so it is rounded off to 1. And 1.6 is nearer to 2, so this is rounded off to 2. Now rounding off to the nearest 100, like consider 1.29 and 1.19. 1.29 is nearer to 1.3 then to 1.2, so it is rounded off to 1.3. And 1.19 is nearer to 1.2 then to 1.1, so its value is 1.2. Now rounding off to the nearest thousand, like consider 4.129 and 3.833. So 4.129 is nearer to 4.13 then to 4.12. So it is rounded off to 4.13. And 3.833 is nearer to 3.83 then to 3.84. So this is the value. Now assessment 9, question number 1. Express the following correctly to 2 decimal places. You can try this one. The second, express the following in fractions. तो fraction में हम convert कर देंगे. Like C part 16.9. So what will you get? 169/10. Now the third one, round of the following to the nearest tenth. So you can try this one, and the fourth also, and the fifth one. And MCQs we have think smarter and critical thinking, and the next is experimental learning, and one is maths lab activity and aptitude reasoning. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. So stay happy, stay blessed.